Hi, I'm a semi-retired truck driver, just gone down to 3 days a week. I've been looking online for the last month to supplement my income. I've tried lots of internet marketing things off the internet. I came across Miglage, who has given me a lot of support and sort of helped me through setting up websites, ordering names, setting up the WordPress side of things, and also giving me an insight into the paid traffic, which is a great help. I don't think I could have done it without him. I think walking through the setup with him has been a great help, and I think I'd recommend him to anybody. Nice fella as well, easily contactable, and just looks after you. Thank you very much, Miglage. I think you've done a great job.